wanted to be in healthcare, but I didn't know what I wanted to do, so this was the perfect opportunity to see what I wanted to do.
It definitely has shown me that medical school is not going to be easy, but I never expected that, so I feel a little more prepared than I did before.
I've learned that definitely it's all about the patient, and also doctors have many different ways of doing things. So just whatever works for them is great. So.
Beyond just being a doctor or a nurse, there are other positions that, like radiology and technicians, those have actually been really interesting because you're not only working with patients, but you're working with technology, so it's combining a bunch of different interests.
I guess I just didn't realize like how much actually goes into it, you know? Because like you're in the doctor's office and you're like, oh, what is taking so long? I've been in here forever. But like just seeing everything, like the behind the scenes of like all the paperwork they have to do, all the charting, and like making phone calls to other doctors to help other patients. It's crazy how much they do, and I didn't even realize.
I would say a huge thank you because this summer, these 6 weeks, they have not exactly given me a clear path for my future, but they have let me discover what potentially I could do, and that has changed my entire life.
Thank you, obviously, that one's very first. This has really like changed my path, I think, because I really like set my standard kind of low, I feel like, but then after seeing how amazing these jobs are, I wanted to like push myself harder, and it's made me more determined.
I would say thank you a million times. It's truly been a great opportunity, and it's just crazy to be able to be right up there with doctors who are great teachers, and I've never experienced anything like it.
I would tell them that it will change their life, for one, and also that they're going to see some things that at first they may not be comfortable with, but have an open mind, go in there, try it out, and the more you put into it, the more you're going to take out of it.
I would say definitely apply. Again, there's nothing like it, and I was telling Dr. Drummond that I wasn't expecting to be right up there with him, and that was really cool. And also you meet so many different people, and they teach you about how to be a student and how to be good with patients, and you just learn a lot.
It was getting to see the C-section. It was amazing just to see like the birth, like that was amazing, and then like seeing like the parents' interactions like with the baby after it was born. That was something that I've never got to experience, and it was just kind of, you know, emotional, but like it was like a happy moment, and that was really amazing to see. And then after the baby was out and they were sewing her up, I got to see like all of the organs and like the uterus and everything, and that was just amazing because, you know, you have anatomy class and you see it in a book, but like seeing it in person, hands-on, like that was really cool.
When I was visiting with Dr. Breedlove, he told me something that is going to be very important for my future. He told me that whenever you meet with a health professional or anything that you may be interested in doing in the future, always ask them if they could do it all over again, would they choose the same path, and why? That's always gonna stick with me.
My favorite moment this summer has probably been an ACL repair. They basically took pieces of the hamstring and reconstructed an ACL, and that was really cool. It's just insane to see how many things doctors are capable of doing, and also I really enjoy talking to patients. They're really grateful for me to even be there and to learn, and I really appreciate that.
you know, you got plenty of time is one thing I would say. Don't stress about doing everything from day one. Enjoy college, take a bunch of different classes. I started off in business and didn't decide to go to med school until my senior year, and I went back and took all the classes over again that I needed to, and it worked out great. Like, you know, enjoy your life, don't stress that you have to go from day one. That would probably be my biggest recommendation. So,
well, I tell students all the time, be the best high school student so you can be the best college student, and when you're in college, be the best college student to be the best applicant. Then when you're the best applicant, you become a medical student, be the best medical student, be the best applicant, to be the best intern. Do well wherever you are, and the next step will come to you.
Hi, I'm Robert Breedlove, and I've been involved in the summer program with students at Stillwater Medical Center since its inception in whatever year that was. And I've seen every single one of them have come through this office over the past 30 plus years. A side note is, I went to see Dr. Rippey, and he came to my house when I was 5 years old, and he rendered great medical care. And then I came back here in 1981, and Dr. Rippey became my patient. So that's, I think, called full circle. But this program that we have in this community is the most wonderful program I believe that any young high school age people could have in healthcare, and I've been so glad and blessed to be part of this program and watch these students come through here, some of whom go on to careers in medicine, some becoming physicians, and some who say, no, this isn't for me, but they got at least their exposure here to help make that decision in their very tough and complicated lives as adolescents. I hope that this program can continue for years and years down the road, because I think, again, it is an absolute jewel in a community that's a wonderful community.